Ding dong. Okay, let's be real. The peephole is a medieval torture device disguised as a security feature. Squinting, head bumping, missing half the picture? I'm pretty sure my grandmother's seeing eye dog has better visibility. But fear not, fellow humans, because I found the future of door answering and it's here. Introducing the J9 Plus new fisheye panoramic doorbell camera. This isn't just a doorbell. It's my personal visual command center, my home security sidekick, and my all-around awesome door guardian. 2K HD, so clear, you can see their soul. Okay, maybe not, but it's really clear. 180 degrees, ultra wide, see everything. Seriously, everything. From the package thief to the overly enthusiastic squirrel trying to bury its nuts on your porch. 5200 ampage battery. Power that just keeps going, like your uncle's jokes, but hopefully less annoying. On a single charge, it lasts anywhere from 2 to 3 months. PIR motion detection. Sneaky visitors, not on our watch. Get instant alerts and catch those porch pirates in the act. Night vision. Darkness is no match for this night owl wonder. See everything, even when the sun goes down and the critters come out to play. Two-way audio. Chat with the delivery guy without putting on pants. We won't tell. Or tell your friends to come on in while you're still making the snacks. It's the ultimate lazy day convenience. SD and cloud storage. Your memories, your choice. Like picking your favorite ice cream flavor. Keep your footage safe and sound and relive those precious or hilarious moments whenever you want. IP66 waterproof. Rain, snow, a sprinkler attack. This bad boy can handle it. We've tested it in the most extreme conditions, so you don't have to. Okay, so let's get down to the brass tacks. The J9 Plus, it got more pros than a golf tournament. But just for kicks, let's see if we can find any cons. Pros: crystal clear video, super wide view, long lasting battery, motion detection that's actually useful, night vision that's better than your own eyes, two-way audio for chatting with everyone, flexible storing options, waterproof like a duck. Cons: it might make your old people jealous. This thing is amazing. Stop guessing who's at your door and start knowing. The J9 Plus fisheye panoramic doorbell camera is your all-seeing, all-hearing home security superhero. It's the ultimate upgrade for your doorstep swagger, and it will make you feel like you're living in the future. Get yours now and prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.